Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting data. Back up the company and confirm no other users are logged in. Once done, open Tally Prime in single user mode and go straight to Gateway of Tally, then Company and Alter. Select the company you need to update and prepare to change the financial year dates. This prevents conflicts and preserves a restore point. Make sure your backup succeeded before proceeding so you can roll back if anything goes wrong during the date change. You now change the core dates. In the Company Alter screen, update the from and to dates to the new financial year and accept the entries. Next, review accounting period, book's beginning date, and any voucher number ranges so postings align with the new year. Also update statutory settings like GST return period and payroll year where applicable, because these are date sensitive. Take a moment to save changes and run a quick trial balance to confirm that ledgers look consistent after the update. Finish by validating your work. Run trial balance, balance sheet, and profit and loss for the updated period to ensure figures carried over correctly. Once satisfied, make a new backup and restart Tally Prime in normal mode so users can resume. If you encounter mismatches, don't panic, restore the backup to revert and reconcile opening balances, or adjust opening entries manually after cross-checking source records. This quick restore option saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.